Imagine opening a website where companies actually pay ordinary people. Not for coding, not for investing, and not for selling anything, but simply for completing everyday tasks like recording videos, taking photos, or speaking into your phone. As AI grows, companies need huge amounts of real-world data to train their models, and instead of collecting all of it themselves, they hire contributors through platforms like this. But here's the important part. This is not one of those websites where you sign up today and magically earn hundreds of dollars tomorrow. Some people qualify for projects, some don't. Some submissions get approved, others get rejected. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this platform works, how people actually make money with it, the mistakes that get people rejected, and whether it's worth your time. Let's get started. This is Luel AI. It's a platform that connects contributors with AI data collection projects. Companies post projects that require real videos, voice recordings, photos, or other types of media, and contributors complete those tasks by following the provided instructions. Once a submission passes the platform's review process, eligible contributors are paid according to the project's terms. Now let's look at how that process actually works. The entire process is actually very simple. First, you create a free contributor account. After signing in, you'll see available projects based on your eligibility and region. Every project contains detailed instructions. Don't skip these. The instructions explain exactly what needs to be recorded, how long the recording should be, and any technical or quality requirements. If you decide to participate, complete the recording exactly as requested. Then upload your files through the platform. After that, your submission enters a review process. If it meets the project's requirements, it's approved and becomes eligible for payment under that project's terms. If it doesn't meet the requirements, it may be rejected or require changes. So the quality of your submission matters just as much as completing the task itself. Now let's see what kinds of projects you might encounter. Depending on the project, you could be asked to record yourself walking, capture everyday activities, record short voice clips, take specific types of photos, record your laptop or phone screen, participate in natural conversations. Every project is different, so don't expect the same work every time. One project could take only a few minutes, while another may have additional qualification steps or more detailed recording requirements. Before you start using this platform, there are a few things you should know. First, don't expect unlimited work. Project availability changes over time and may depend on your country, language, or profile. Second, never rush through the instructions. Most rejections happen because contributors miss small details, such as recording length, camera angle, lighting, audio quality, or required actions. Third, don't assume every project pays the same. Compensation varies from project to project. Always review the project details before accepting. Fourth, remember that your uploaded content is intended for AI training. Read the project information carefully so you understand how your submission will be used. Finally, don't create fake or low-quality submissions. These platforms review uploaded content, and poor quality work can affect your eligibility for future projects. If you want a better chance of getting approved, follow these simple practices. Read every instruction from beginning to end before recording. Use good lighting whenever possible. Record in a quiet environment if the task involves audio. Keep the camera stable unless the instructions say otherwise. Double-check your files before uploading. And never assume close enough is good enough. The more accurately you follow the instructions, the better your chances of having the submission accepted. If you're looking for a realistic way to participate in AI data collection projects, Luel AI is worth exploring. Just remember that this isn't guaranteed income. Your results depend on the projects available to you, whether you qualify, and whether your submissions meet the required standards. If this video helped you understand how the platform works, let me know in the comments. And because this is the first video in my new AI earning series, subscribe if you want to see more platforms tested step by step.